Hey there my friends, my name is Riaz and I have been working in the IT industry for last 13 plus years. After working with several IT companies in various roles, I went on to founding my own software company. And AWS is a major component of our product offerings today. And in this course, I'll share my real world experience with you. This course is divided into several sections. First, we'll look at what serverless computing is and how does it compare with the traditional computing. Then, we'll look at the AWS serverless architecture and discuss different web services that form the AWS serverless platform. We'll also look at a couple of use cases of the AWS serverless architecture. And then we'll deep dive into the core services that form the AWS serverless platform, namely DynamoDB, AWS Lambda, and API Gateway. We'll also discuss the microservices architecture and understand how AWS can be used to create completely serverless microservices. As part of our hands-on exercise, we'll create a DynamoDB table and then create our very own microservice to query this DynamoDB table. We'll create the microservice using AWS Lambda and API Gateway. So if you're ready, let's get started.